In this video, you'll learn how to easily add a checkbox to a document in DocuSign, helping you create more interactive and structured forms in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the DocuSign website using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button at the top right and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up to get started. After logging in, you'll be taken to the DocuSign dashboard where you can manage all your documents. From here, go to the Templates section and select a template that fits your needs. Next, enter the required document details, such as names, email addresses, or other relevant information. Once everything is set, click the Next button to proceed. Now you'll reach the document editing stage. Look for the Field Options panel and select the Checkbox field. Drag and drop it onto your document wherever you want the checkbox to appear. You can position and adjust the checkbox to align properly with your document layout. This feature is especially useful for allowing recipients to confirm selections or agree to specific terms. After placing the checkbox, review your document to ensure everything is correctly set up. Once you're satisfied, your document is ready to be sent for signing. That's it. You now know how to easily add a checkbox in DocuSign quickly and efficiently. Explore more features to make your document workflow even smoother and more professional.